The official renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 have surfaced, confirming several upgrades and a few unexpected changes coming to the device. The first notable difference is the camera design. Samsung has ditched the signature camera rings seen on previous models. Instead, the Fold 7 now adopts a cleaner lens layout that looks a lot like what we saw on the Galaxy S25 Edge. It's a subtle change, but it gives the device a more cleaner look from the old bulky design of the Fold 6. Moving on, the company's focus on slimming down its upcoming foldables is clearly reflected here. The Fold 7 looks noticeably thinner than the Fold 6 in these renders, delivering on months of speculation about a sleeker profile. The only thing is that the camera bump now appears more prominent, but not because it's larger, it's just because the rest of the device has become so much slimmer. One of the more surprising moves is the removal of the under-display camera on the internal screen. Despite earlier rumors suggesting it would remain, Samsung seems to have replaced it with a conventional punch-hole camera. While this breaks the clean, uninterrupted look the Fold series has maintained since the Fold 3, we can at least be sure of meaningful improvements in image and video quality. The new sensor is still 4MP, but it's slightly larger and will definitely offer better results than the outgoing model. Also, losing the under-display camera might be why Samsung was able to improve the display panel itself. Without having to layer the screen around a hidden camera, Samsung can now use a more advanced folding glass, reducing the crease in the middle of the display. The same tech was used in last year's special edition Fold, which nearly erased the crease altogether, so that's a big win. As for the inner display bezels, they don't seem to have changed much, despite earlier rumors hinting at thinner borders. You'll still get the same symmetrical look when the phone is unfolded. Color options at launch include blue shadow, jet black, and silver shadow. We know that Samsung typically reserves a few exclusive finishes for its own store or select regions, so more variants may be revealed closer to launch. Speaking of which, Samsung's next Unpacked event is officially scheduled for the 9th of July at 10 AM ET. With less than 3 weeks to go, it won't be long before we get all the confirmed specs and hands-on impressions, so we suggest you subscribe to the channel to be notified. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.